If you're looking to join a HealthShare and you're either not sure which one is the right fit, or maybe you just want confirmation that the one that you're considering is actually a solid option, this video is going to help you with that. Today we're walking through the top 3 HealthShares in 2026 that I see the strongest, most consistent results from. So we're talking about Christian Healthcare Ministries, or CHM, Zion HealthShare, and United Refuah. Each one has its strengths, each one serves a different type of member, and I'll share some personal thoughts so you can get a clearer picture of how they really operate. And just a quick note before we jump in, if you want more detail on any of these programs, I have a lot more information on my website. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll link the full blog post in the description below. And if you're already on my website watching this, just scroll down, everything is right below this video. So I'm actually going to start with United Refuah because it's probably the one you've never heard of. So why is this even in my top 3? United Refuah is a Jewish HealthShare. It's actually the only Jewish HealthShare in the United States, and to join, you need to be a member of the Jewish faith and follow the Torah. If that's you, this may be an amazing fit, and here's why. They have the highest Google reviews of any HealthShare. We're talking hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. Now, some members even shared that the president of the organization personally called them in the hospital to make sure that they were doing okay. Now, that tells me a few things. First of all, this is probably a smaller, very tight-knit community, and they're clearly very hands-on with their members during difficult times. From everything I've seen, the reviews, the feedback, the conversations online, their membership base is strong enough that medical bills are getting shared in a timely, predictable way. But I do have one really big word of caution for this HealthShare. They do have a 1 million sharing limit per incident. And $1 million sounds like more than enough until it's not. So major medical events can add up fast. So for the people in the Jewish community, United Refuah is a strong option. Just be aware of that limit and really think about whether it fits your comfort level. Next is Christian Healthcare Ministries, or CHM. And just to be clear, this is not MediShare. People mix them up all the time, but this is CHM. CHM is one of the largest and oldest HealthShares out there. They've been around for over 40 years, and in that time, they've shared billions of dollars in medical expenses. They have a reputation for being consistent, reliable, and timely with sharing medical needs. So if you want a Christian-only HealthShare with a very strong track record, CHM is a very steady and predictable choice. And now let's talk about Zion HealthShare. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you already know that this is the one I personally chose for me and my family. Zion HealthShare launched at the beginning of 2019, and they were one of the first, I believe the second, secular or non-religious HealthShare available, meaning anyone can now join. There's no statement of faith required to join a HealthShare now. Since then, they've grown extremely fast. They now have over 50,000 members, and they've built a strong reputation for fast bill sharing, simple, straightforward guidelines, no annual or lifetime caps on eligible medical needs, and a DPC-friendly membership option for people who choose to have a direct primary care membership. This allows members to save even more on their healthcare costs. They're also known for exceptional member support and consistently positive experiences. Now, I'm in several online HealthShare groups, including my own, and whenever someone asks about Zion HealthShare, the comment section lights up with people recommending them. People are sharing how well their needs were handled, the fast payments, the clear communication, and the appreciation they have felt for having support during a difficult time. Now, my family joined Zion HealthShare in 2021, and in that time, we've had a few medical events come up. Every sharing request was approved, everyone was handled quickly, and everything worked exactly the way their guidelines explained it would. It's been a really positive experience for us, and that's ultimately why Zion HealthShare is still my top recommended HealthShare. Now, but this is important, every family is different. Your lifestyle, your budget, your beliefs, and your comfort level all play a role in choosing a HealthShare. If you're considering any of these programs, the best next step is to learn more about the ones that make the most sense for your situation. So click the links below to get a quote, and more importantly, read through the member guidelines for the HealthShare that you're interested in. That will give you a clear idea of what each program offers and whether it's the right fit for you and your family.